Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by doing the legal and safe step. Enable airplane mode so cellular radios shut off. Once done, do not leave settings, go straight to Wi-Fi and manually switch it on. This lets you keep radios off while still using onboard or approved networks. Make sure you know whether the aircraft provides Wi-Fi or you plan to use a permitted personal hotspot device. You're isolating cellular to comply with rules, while enabling the pathway that actually gives you internet access. Now you focus on connecting. Open Wi-Fi and pick the aircraft SSID or your allowed hotspot. You may hit a captive portal, tap the login page, enter voucher or card details, and accept terms. If the portal won't load, force it via browser to the airline's login URL or use settings right arrow Wi-Fi right arrow advanced to clear static DNS. Also, if the hotspot needs pairing, enter its password exactly. These steps handle the common middle issues and get your device. Finish by verifying you have an IP and can load a page. That proves the connection. If pages fail, first toggle Wi-Fi off and on, then use Forget Network and reconnect. This clears bad credentials. Once done, check proxy or custom DNS settings because those can block captive portals. If problems persist, reboot the phone or ask cabin crew about the service status. Sometimes the plane's router needs a reset. Remember, keeping airplane mode active ensures compliance while you use approved internet services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.